Is your Peugeot 2008's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are the bonnet switch, interior sensor, and key fob. The bonnet switch, located under the hood, can corrode or misalign, sending false signals. Interior sensors, often ultrasonic, are highly sensitive and can be triggered by minor disturbances. Finally, a failing or out-of-sync key fob can also cause false alarms. As of October 2025, many 2008 models, especially 2013-2022, still face these issues. Software updates have been rolled out via the Peugeot Connect app to address false positives, but hardware issues need physical checks. Diagnosing the correct cause is the first step to fixing this frustrating problem. Let's look at solutions for common Peugeot 2008 alarm problems. First, check your bonnet switch for corrosion or proper alignment. Clean any rust and ensure it's securely in place. For interior sensor issues, try desensitizing it through ECU coating with an OBD2 scanner, or add padding to reduce sensitivity. Key fob problems often require a reset. Try the manual reset by cycling lock-unlock 10 times, or reprogram it using the Peugeot Connect app, which can now be done remotely for some models. If these steps don't work, consider a professional diagnostic check, as sensor-related issues account for 80% of alarm problems. For 2016-2019 models, check for recall notices related to the bonnet switch, as free replacements may be available.